In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a world of opportunities to earn money online. People are constantly seeking flexible and reliable ways to supplement their income, or even build a full-time online business. The allure of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and having the potential to earn unlimited income is incredibly appealing. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone simply looking for a side hustle, the internet offers a plethora of options to explore. As a side note, if you would like to learn about our #1 recommended passive income program that pays daily, requiring no tech skills, no experience, and no huge following while needing only your cell phone and internet connection, and just a few hours a day, you can either visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com for the details, or click the link in the description. Amazon Online Arbitrage, or OA, is a business model where you purchase products at discounted prices from online retailers or wholesalers and resell them on Amazon for a profit. The key to success in OA lies in finding products with a significant price difference between your purchase price and the selling price on Amazon. One of the most attractive aspects of OA is its low barrier to entry. You don't need a huge amount of capital to get started, and you can run your business entirely online from the comfort of your own home. Amazon's Fulfilled by Amazon, or FBA program, further simplifies the OA process by handling storage, order fulfillment, shipping, and customer service. At its core, arbitrage is a trading strategy that capitalizes on price differences between markets. Amazon Online Arbitrage, or OA, applies this principle to the world of e-commerce, specifically focusing on the Amazon marketplace. OA practitioners trade physical or digital products, scouring the internet for discounted items. Once a profitable product is identified, OA sellers purchase it and list it for sale on Amazon at a higher price. The price difference between their purchase price and the selling price on Amazon, minus Amazon's fees and any other expenses, represents their profit margin. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Online retailers and wholesalers play a crucial role in the Amazon Online Arbitrage, or OA, ecosystem. They are the primary sources of discounted products that OA sellers leverage to generate profits. Online retailers often offer sales, clearance events, or promotional discounts to attract customers and move inventory. Wholesalers typically sell products in bulk at lower prices to businesses for resale. OA sellers can tap into these sources to find products at significant discounts, especially when retailers or wholesalers are looking to clear out excess inventory or offer seasonal promotions. Amazon's robust ecosystem and seller-friendly features make it an ideal platform for online arbitrage businesses. One of the most significant advantages is Amazon's Fulfilled by Amazon, or FBA program. With FBA, online arbitrage sellers can store their inventory in Amazon's fulfillment centers, and Amazon handles the packing, shipping, and customer service for their orders. This outsourcing of logistics allows online arbitrage sellers to focus on sourcing profitable products and growing their business. Additionally, FBA offers benefits such as faster shipping times for customers, including Prime eligibility and increased buyer trust. Embarking on your Amazon online arbitrage journey begins with establishing a solid foundation: your Amazon seller account. Amazon offers two primary selling plans, individual and professional. The individual plan is ideal for those just starting, with a pay-as-you-go model charging 99 cents per item sold, plus additional selling fees. The professional plan costs $39.99 per month, regardless of sales volume, making it more cost-effective for sellers planning to list and sell a higher volume of products. Once you've completed the registration process, familiarize yourself with Amazon's Seller Central dashboard. While Amazon provides a robust platform for sellers, having the right tools at your disposal can significantly enhance your efficiency and profitability as an online arbitrage practitioner. One of the most critical tools for online arbitrage is a product research tool like Keepa, which tracks the price history of millions of products on Amazon. Another invaluable tool is tactical arbitrage, which streamlines the process of finding discounted products from online retailers. Inventory management is crucial for online arbitrage success, and tools like Inventory Labs simplify this process by providing real-time inventory tracking, automated repricing, and comprehensive profit and loss reporting. These features ensure you have enough stock to meet demand without tying up too much capital in inventory. The heart of Amazon online arbitrage lies in finding profitable products to resell. Start by brainstorming product categories that interest you or align with your knowledge base. Use product research tools like Keepa to analyze historical sales data, price trends, and competition levels within those categories. Look for products with a healthy sales rank, indicating strong demand, and a consistent price history, suggesting price stability. Once you've identified potential product categories, dive deeper into specific products within those categories. In the dynamic world of Amazon online arbitrage, product research is the compass guiding you toward profitable opportunities. Begin your research by utilizing powerful product research tools like Keepa, a browser extension that provides invaluable historical data on Amazon products. Focus on identifying products with a healthy balance of demand and competition. Look for products with a consistently high sales rank, indicating strong customer demand, but avoid overly saturated markets with hundreds of sellers offering the same product. Additionally, pay close attention to product reviews and ratings. Once you've identified profitable products through thorough research, the next crucial step is sourcing and acquiring those products at the most competitive prices. Leverage tools like Tactical Arbitrage, a powerful software that automates the process of finding discounted products across thousands of online retailers. When purchasing products, always prioritize reputable retailers and wholesalers with a proven track record of authenticity and reliability. After acquiring your inventory, it's time to prepare it for shipment to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Proper preparation and labeling ensure your inventory is processed efficiently upon arrival at Amazon's warehouses. With your inventory safely in Amazon's capable hands, the next critical step is creating compelling product listings that attract customers and drive sales. Craft compelling product titles that accurately reflect the product's features and benefits while incorporating relevant keywords to improve searchability. Use high-quality product images that showcase the product from multiple angles, highlighting its key features and enticing customers to click. Write concise and informative product descriptions that highlight the product's key features, benefits, and specifications. Pricing your products strategically is crucial for attracting customers and maximizing profitability. And navigating competition and market saturation. Amazon's low entry barrier attracts many sellers, increasing competition. Saturation makes it challenging to stand out and maintain profits. Strategic planning helps navigate competition and thrive. Focus on niche products with less competition. Popular categories often lead to price wars. Explore niche markets with specialized customer bases. Niche products can offer higher profit margins. Differentiate with exceptional customer service and strong branding. Focus on value beyond pricing. Personalized service fosters customer loyalty. Explore alternative sourcing options. Major retailers increase competition. Find hidden gems in niche stores and local sales. Section 2. Maintaining account health and avoiding suspensions. Amazon has strict policies and performance metrics to ensure a safe and trustworthy marketplace. Failure to comply can lead to account suspensions. Understanding and adhering to Amazon's guidelines is crucial. Ensure product authenticity. Selling counterfeit products leads to immediate suspension. Source from reputable retailers. Keep detailed purchase records. Maintain excellent customer service metrics. Amazon monitors order defect rate, late shipments, and feedback. High rates of issues can lead to suspensions. Respond promptly to customer inquiries. Regularly monitor your account health dashboard. Once you've established a solid foundation for your Amazon online arbitrage business and started generating consistent profits, it's time to shift your focus towards scaling your operations for exponential growth. Scaling involves strategically reinvesting your earnings to expand your inventory, explore new product categories, and optimize your business processes for increased efficiency and profitability. One of the most effective ways to scale your OA business is by reinvesting a significant portion of your profits back into your inventory. As your sales grow, so too should your inventory levels to meet the increasing demand. By reinvesting your earnings, you can purchase larger quantities of your best-selling products, taking advantage of bulk discounts and maximizing your profit margins. Furthermore, reinvesting your profits allows you to diversify your product offerings by exploring new and potentially more profitable product categories. Expanding into new niches mitigates the risk associated with relying solely on a limited number of products or categories, protecting your business from potential market fluctuations or changes in customer demand. Consider setting aside a fixed percentage of your profits each month specifically for inventory expansion and product diversification. This disciplined approach ensures you're continuously growing your business while maintaining a healthy cash flow and avoiding overspending. Section 2. Streamlining operations for efficiency and scale. As your OA business expands, it's crucial to streamline your operations to maintain efficiency and manage the increasing workload effectively. Manual processes that were manageable at a smaller scale can quickly become bottlenecks as your sales volume and inventory grow. Embrace automation by leveraging advanced software and tools designed specifically for OA sellers. Repricing tools, such as Repricer Express, automate the process of adjusting your product prices based on competitor activity and market trends, ensuring you stay competitive and maximize your profits without the need for constant manual monitoring. Inventory management software, such as Inventory Lab, simplifies the often complex task of tracking inventory levels, managing purchase orders, and analyzing profitability. These tools provide real-time insights into your inventory status, helping you avoid stockouts, minimize storage costs, and make informed purchasing decisions. Consider outsourcing tasks that are not core to your business operations, such as product photography, listing optimization, or customer service. Delegating these tasks to virtual assistants or freelancers allows you to focus on strategic decision-making, product sourcing, and business growth, freeing up your time and energy for higher-level tasks. Inspiring OA journeys. Everyday people transform Amazon online arbitrage into a lucrative reality. With determination and the right strategies, anyone can succeed. As a side note, if you would like to learn about our #1 recommended passive income program that pays daily, requiring no tech skills, no experience, and no huge following while needing only your cell phone, an internet connection, and just a few hours a day, you can either visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com for the details or click the link in the description. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, started with $500 and scaled her OA business to $5,000 monthly sales in 6 months. John, a full-time employee, built his OA business in his spare time, leveraging Amazon's FBA program. Section 2. Key takeaways. Turning dreams into reality. Sarah and John's stories highlight the transformative power of Amazon online arbitrage, OA, for financial freedom. Their success shows that with dedication, perseverance, and the right approach, ordinary people can achieve extraordinary results. Key takeaways include thorough product research, leveraging technology, and adaptability. OA is dynamic, requiring continuous strategy refinement and staying updated with industry trends. Sarah and John's journeys prove OA rewards hard work and strategic approaches, inspiring aspiring entrepreneurs. Section 1. Embracing the OA opportunity. Amazon Online Arbitrage, OA, offers a low-risk, high-reward pathway for individuals seeking financial independence or an entrepreneurial journey. OA leverages Amazon's marketplace to build a sustainable business. Its simplicity and accessibility are key. OA empowers individuals with limited resources to start generating income quickly. By sourcing discounted products and reselling them on Amazon, OA practitioners generate revenue. The tools and strategies shared provide a solid foundation for success. Utilizing software tools and adhering to Amazon's policies mitigates risks and sets up long-term success. The e-commerce landscape continues to expand, presenting greater opportunities for OA practitioners. Embrace continuous learning and adapt to market trends to optimize your business. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content.